Hey, I see someone here who is interested in making brownie. So if you wanna make something like this, just watch my video. If you are still alive, please do not die before tasting this brownie. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a delicious dessert, brownie. My ingredients are 320 gram dark chocolate, a pack of vanilla, 4 eggs, 2 spoons of cacao, less than a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cup of sugar, a cup of flour, 125 gram butter. Firstly, I'm gonna melt the dark chocolates and the butter in the same pan. The butter has melted, and in this case I stop heating the butter and add the chocolates. Now the chocolate and the butter are getting colder, and at the same time I'm going to mix the other ingredients. I will start with the eggs and the sugar. And I'm adding the sugar, then I will mix it. Now also this mixture is ready, and I'm adding the chocolate. Now I'm adding the last ingredients, flour, vanilla, less than a teaspoon of salt, 2 spoons of cacao, and now I'm mixing them. If I really want to make a brownie, then I shouldn't mix it so fast. This is why I'm not using the mixing machine. I am adding the brownie dough in this kind of a tray. The bake is ready at 180 degrees. The brownie is in the bake for 25 minutes, and now let's see what happened to it. I took out the brownie after bake 25 minutes, and now I'm going to wait 30 minutes more for brownie to be cooled down. And now brownie is not hot. If you are still alive, please do not die before tasting this brownie. It's really so delicious. Mmm.